Okay, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about sprite sizes in Scratch and how we change those. And there's a couple different ways you can go about doing this. So I have the cat here. You know, there's just the normal default character when you start up Scratch. This character, I can go here to size and I can change it. Maybe I want to make it smaller, and so I could do 50, which would be, you know, obviously half of 100, so 50%. And you can see that it changed the size there. If I wanted to make it much bigger, you know, make it 500. That's obviously going to be much larger, much larger. Let's go back to 50 again. And, you know, so you can change the size that way pretty easily. The other way to do that is if you go here to looks, you can set the size by a certain percentage, and you can change the size. And so with the character, you can go to events here, and you can actually change the size with code. So every time I hit space, this change size is going to go up by 10. And obviously, if I wanted to make it smaller, I could do a negative 10 here as well if I want to make it smaller. So, you know, I can just continue to make it smaller until eventually it just won't make it any smaller anymore, and then just leaves it at that size. So if I wanted to, we'll make it a little bit larger increase each time. And obviously you could have some fun with this too and change it around and put a forever loop around it if you wanted to, which is kind of a fun thing to do. And then, you know, obviously when we hit the space bar here, actually let's make this 1 just so that maybe makes it a little bit slower. You're going to see the character grow. Okay, and it'll keep growing and growing and growing and growing until it reaches a certain point where it's just too large for the program, and then it will stop growing. Okay, we can just have that change to this way, -1, and hit space, and it'll just continue to shrink then as we talk here a little bit about this. We can also use set size, obviously, and we can put an event on this and say every time we hit the green flag we want it set to this size, because maybe as you're using your program, your character is going to change size, and when you start over you want it set to a certain percentage, a certain size that when it starts out. So you can use this as well. Okay, so there's really just those kind of ways to change the size of the sprite. Either you can change it this way, or you can change it with code here. All right, so with these 2 blocks, those are kind of the things you're going to want to use. Hopefully this helps you, and good luck on your coding journey. Good luck.